Si Senor. Not looking around because it's closed. Hey. We got B-Rez. We got JC. This is my husband.
So,
Brooke's having a large marg on the rocks. Justin's having
I'll hit you like Chris Breezy though.
Okay. Cut. Justin's having himself a Long Island. Brooke.
Good morning, guys. So it is now Sunday. Last night you would have seen me, Destiny, and Justin at Si Senor. It was just like super chill and casual. We went and got dinner and it started storming, so that was about it. And now I am getting ready. I'm about to leave. I'm going to the mall and Whole Foods with my grandmother, and we're doing some last minute Christmas shopping together, but it's so cold out. Hi, Bella. You. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, it's so early right now. It's like 7:30. I'm on my way to a hair appointment. There's so many people in the middle of the road right now. What is going on? Yesterday I went Christmas shopping. It was so much fun. I didn't vlog much just because I was out and it was so crowded at the mall. And then I went to Whole Foods and I had the best green juice. I swear, green juice from Whole Foods in Baton Rouge just hits differently. So I'm passing Destiny's house right now, so hey D-Rez. But yeah, it is so gloomy out. It's been gloomy every single day that I've been here. I've only been here for 3 days so far, but it's so freaking gloomy. I'm just so exhausted and I cannot wait to go back home and go to sleep. I just got to my hair appointment. Still not even 8 o'clock yet, guys. I am exhausted. I'm hoping that I'll have time to get like a coffee after this because I have a dentist appointment too. So if I have time, I definitely want to go to Courtyard Cafe and get a coffee and just like chill. It's so freaking gloomy. I don't understand what's going on. Also, when I packed, it said it was supposed to be like 70s all week and now it's 44 degrees out. Super nice, right? Anywho, I'm about to go in and get my hair colored. I think I'm gonna do like the same old thing, just get it like brought up and then maybe like a bit like cool toned. I feel like it's a little warm right now. You can't really tell in this lighting, it looks kind of cool toned, but definitely more cool toned. So yeah, I've been listening to Christmas music the entire ride here, which is putting me in a really good mood. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and go in and I will see you guys in just a bit. Guys, I just got out of my hair appointment and we did it a little more like cool tone, so it's like really, really white. I am literally obsessed. It feels so soft, but Tiffany did an amazing job. I am at Courtyard Cafe right now. I'm about to go in and get a coffee and get a little bit of work done before my dentist appointment. And I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the day. Me and my mom talked about going to do like hot yoga, so maybe we'll do that tonight. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go grab some coffee real quick and just get a little bit of work done. So I'm trying to convince Destiny to come and meet me, but for some reason she doesn't want to come over here and hang out with me. So rude. Got a peppermint mocha at Courtyard Cafe and it was so good. I've been in there for like an hour just like editing and stuff. Cat. Roxy like a puma.
Hello everybody, I'm starting off Brooke's vlog. We are at Oh Darling. Brooke, say hey.
Hi.
Okay, we're at Oh Darling. Brooke's gonna go inside. You know, when she's home, she's always gotta go there. So I'm just here tagging along. Oh, I'm just here tagging along. So we will see y'all in there.
Hey D-Rez.
Hey B-Rez. Oh, hello.
It's D-Rez with the Xmas. Guys, I got little gifts. So cute.
OD.
I am obsessed with that. Guys, so we just got out of Oh Darling and I got this blazer, so I changed into it because it's so cute. I'm obsessed. If you're ever there, go see our girl JL because she's the best. We love, we stan.
We stan JL. We're going to Hambo now.
Yeah, we're going to Hambo
we're starving.
to eat. I gotta put it in my phone real quick, and we might go do a little painting outside at the lakefront. Maybe I tried to say it so casual. Do a little painting at the lakefront. It's gonna be really good, fun. Our friend Bob is gonna meet us, Bob Ross. I don't know if you guys are familiar with him. He's kind of popular on the internet a little bit, but I don't know if you guys would follow him or not, just because.
You're not putting that in there. There's no way you would put that up there.
Bet.
Okay. Yeah, our friend Bob, we've known him for a while.
All right, we're going. We stand Bob.
Bob Ross.
Guys, we're at Hambone. We're at Hambone. It's so cute out. We're in Mandeville.
Show me. Hey guys, we're at Hambone.
Don't you dare. Guys, it is so freaking cute.
What? Be funny?
It's so cute. It's literally so cute. Guys, I am screaming. These biscuits look like the best biscuits I've ever seen in my life. We're at Hambone in Mandeville, and I got a Cajun turkey po' boy. Look at that po' boy right here. That looks incredible. Destiny got a muffalata.
Brooke, I've got to try this po' boy.
You will. It looks so good. Oh my god, and they have
yeah,
oh my
I have
god.
a muffalata. It's got kale.
That looks
green
really
onions.
good. That looks amazing. So yeah. Wow, I am so zoomed down. So we are just about to eat this real quick. I'm so excited. Looks incredible. Oh my god, guys, we got the Mississippi mud custard.
You know it's time for pictures.
Well, you know it. Oh my god, this looks incredible. We literally could not resist getting this because the food was so good. So I'm super pumped to try it. It's homemade whipped cream with granola, and she said it's in between a mousse and what else?
A cake.
And a cake.
A mousse and a cake.
So I'm excited about it. Guys, we came to the lakefront and the water is so calm today. I haven't seen it this calm in a hot minute. It's so pretty. Oh my god, guys, the little sailboat is so cute. Love. Swap. Guys, we went to the Big Squeezy. I haven't been here in so long, but I got one of my favorites. This is just the sweet greens. It is so freaking good, but I really wanted a green juice, so I'm so excited about this. Hey guys, we're at the CW. If you know what that is.
If you know, you know.
Hi guys, I am back home. I just got changed, put on some biker shorts and like a cropped like tank. And I'm gonna go do some hot yoga real quick downtown. I just got out of hot yoga, so I literally smell terrible. I drenched myself in perfume. But Devs wanted to come and get just like something to eat, so we're having like some chips and salsa. We're getting guac and queso.
Every dinner.
So that's what we're doing. Little spontaneous thing. But I did hot work. The workout I did was so good. It was like some of the best things I've ever done. And it was like 130 degrees in there, so I sweated my butt off. I'm surprised my makeup stayed on. I don't recommend going with makeup. I really don't. Okay, so we're gonna go and eat. Guys, we got salsa and a big old queso.
And guac.
And guac.
Marks.
Two marks. We stand. Hi guys, good morning. So it is, what's today? Wednesday. I am just about to head over to my grandma's house. She's gonna trim my hair a little bit, but I'm still really obsessed with this color. I think this is the whitest it's ever been. But I'm about to go to her house, and then we're gonna have hot chocolate, listen to Christmas music, and I'm gonna help her like get some gifts and stuff together for my cousins. I'm super excited. It's actually really warm today, surprisingly. So I'm in this like oversized sweater. Yeah, and I thought I needed to put like pants or something on with it, but it is really hot out. It is, I'm about to tell you what the temp is. Okay, it's only 52, so I feel like that's kind of cold, but it doesn't feel like that outside. It definitely feels like it's in like the late 60s or 70s. I lied, it just changed to 64. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I think I'm gonna go give Bella a treat first real quick. I'm gonna start my car. So, my car's starting. Let's go give Bella a treat. Easy. Here you go. Good girl. Bella, are you excited for Christmas? You want another treat? Lay down. Bella, lay down. That's such a good Bella. Guys, I'm with the D-Res.
Hey!
D-Res and B-Res back at it again. What a classic duo,
What
right?
a classic duo right here.
We're going to dinner with Miranda.
I'm looking homeless. Brooke's looking fabulous, as
Not
always.
true. Not true.
It's the truth.
It's not the truth.
It's the truth.
So we're gonna go eat. I don't know if I'm really gonna vlog much there because Miranda told me she doesn't want to be on camera. Rude. No, I totally understand.
taking a shot.
I understand. But yeah, we're gonna go eat.
Crab meat. Okay. And then can I get some fuel sauce on that as well?
Yeah, it'll come.
That'll be good for me.
Cute. Guys, look how pretty the Christmas lights are in Hammond. It's so cute. Also, we just had dinner and now we're going to
Oh, I
113.
look so homeless.
So excited. We had a really good drink there, so I'm hoping 113 has some good drinks too. Guys, I'm about to head out and go to dinner with my friends, but I came outside and the sunset is so pretty, so I want to show you guys real quick. It's like pink and orange. It's so pretty. So this is the outfit for tonight. I just have on this little cropped black turtleneck. These pants are from Princess Polly, I think. They're just like silk champagne-ish trousers. And I have on a cute little gold necklace and my Missouri earrings. This is the makeup of the night. I did just like a little wing with like eyeshadow. Thought it was super cute, but about to go pick up Destiny. And I have on my Fila sneakers with this. So I'm gonna go and pick up Des real quick. Guys, we got lattes. It's so beautiful. What's
nice.
mine?
You got the nice
list.
latte. And I got
the naughty.
Yes, I got
Don't
the
drink
naughty.
it yet. I still have to take a photo on my phone.
Guys,
This is one of the best lattes that I've had in quite some time. I got it with oat milk. It's so good. So if you like live in Hammond or something, you should definitely come and try it out. Guys, this is my drink. It is a Cosmopolitan, but it has champagne in it. And it looks so pretty. Say hi, Des.
hey, sorry, I'm on Facebook.
Interesting. Guys, I'm with Logan.
What up?
We're having a little Christmas Eve thing with the fam. Gabby's here, but she doesn't want to make an appearance.
Camera shy.
She's a little camera shy. I also really don't like how much taller you are than me right now. And you're wearing like a... We don't talk about... They don't need to know that. I know, I got them for free. Shoot us.
Show them the feet.
These are the feet.
Got the Yeezy.
Ooh, look at us go. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go finish eating desserts.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler. Guys, I just got home, but I wanted to show you guys my little Christmas Eve gifts. I get pajamas every Christmas Eve, and these are the ones I got this year. They're just like a plaid, red and white. They're so cute, and it came with a little scrunchie too. And then I got this Lush present box, and it comes with 3 different bath bombs. I think I'm gonna use that one tonight, the Snow Fairy. And then these, I'm obsessed with these. And then we got popcorn and a little peppermint hot chocolate bomb, which I'm also gonna use tonight. And these cute little snowflake marshmallows. So I'm gonna go use one of these right now. I'm watching Eloise, and I'm in my new Christmas pajamas, but I wanted to tell you guys, good night. And I will see you guys in the morning for Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. The sun, I literally cannot see anything right now. Sorry about that. I'm driving to my grandma's right now. I'm literally pulling up to my grandma's house right now, but I want to tell you guys Merry Christmas. This morning I just hung out with my family, and then I went outside and played with the dog, keeping it chill today. It is so hot outside, it's 77 degrees, but I just got here. But I just wanted to go ahead and start the vlog off for today and say hi. So I will see you guys in just a bit. Bo's gonna come over a little bit later. I think we're gonna have like a charcuterie board and like some wine or something and watch a movie. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning, guys. It is the day after Christmas. I'm trying to set you guys up. It's the day after Christmas. I didn't really vlog yesterday. I went to my grandma's house and hung out, and we exchanged like gifts and stuff, and then Bo came over last night to hang out with me and my family, and we just like chilled, watched a movie. That was about it. And then today is Sunday, so I just got dressed. I'll have to show you guys my outfit, but I'm going to Mandeville. I'm gonna go do a little shopping today. I'm looking for a New Year's Eve outfit, so I'm gonna go look over there. And then I'm meeting with the Destiny. I think we're gonna go get coffee again. We're gonna go back to Luma because I can't stop thinking about that latte that we had the other day, and we wanna get a charcuterie board from there. We saw a picture of it, it looked exquisite, so I think that's what we're gonna do. But let me show you guys my outfit real quick. So I'm just wearing this really pretty green kind of colored button down top from Oh Darling. And then I have on my little mini skirt. It's actually really hot today, guys. Like, it's like 75 degrees and I am sweating. And then I just have on my Fila sneakers, and I'm gonna do a little white shoulder bag with this. But yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go shopping real quick. Hopefully I can find something.
I was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.